Welcome back to Kelly Tech. So check this out. So, what do you think this is right here? You can tell it's emulation, you know. But, you know, NES emulation, right? Pretty cool. Oh, look there. I think I seen like, yeah, Chip and Dale. There's a good one. What? Yeah, you remember that? That's right. You know what's playing it, guys? That's right, original hardware. How do you say? This crazy new cart. I'll show you up next. Alright, here it is. Crazy's I.O. cart. What this is, it's a Nintendo cart that you can put a SD card in. And you can load this SD card with ROMs. So you can load this with all 600 and whatever many games there is for the Nintendo. All on this one 4 gig little SD stick. So real simple. Came with the cartridge, which it's an original Nintendo cartridge. I think it's real. And so it came with the cartridge, the 4 gig SD card, and instructions how to use it. So it's quite simple. Just, you know, extract your ROMs out to NES files and put it in the folder. It's real easy. Real simple stuff. And you plug it back into here. Look at this. One hand. Let's see if I can do this. It's old school. You know how old this is? See if it works. Look at that, guys. You know what I'm saying? Remember how many blinks we used to get, and you have to blow in it and push it sideways and put another cartridge in it or something? But here we go. Fruits of the labor. Very nice. And it does a rainbow wheel when it loads. It's kind of weird. The bigger the game, the larger the game is, it seems like the longer the rainbow wheel is. And there it is. This is a Rocky and Bullwinkle. I remember this game too. And so how it works is, if you hit reset, it takes you back to the same game. So if you want to go back to the menu to pick a different game, you got to power off, power back on. Then you're back at your menu. Like if you want, which this game I have also, Zelda 2. Everybody loves this game. Well, most. I know I do. It has been a long time since I played this one through. But there you go. It's a beautiful thing. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you about this new product. You know, it's always been just, you know, EverDrive Monopoly. So it's cool to see something new from this this new company. What's it called? Crazy's I.O. cart. So, or however you say that. It's from Poland. So I don't know. Check it out on eBay. Maybe give it a shot if you think this is cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, have a tech day.